Look at this photo, flat light, two catch lights on either side of the irises. Now, the exact same people, different context. These are 4 astronauts preparing to bring humanity back to the moon. The orange pressure suits certainly help. Instantly the eye has somewhere to go. But the real transformation is the light. Watch what happens when we shift from flat accidental light to intentional light. Suddenly they look cinematic. The images were taken in 2023. The photographer is Valcarcel, a scientific photographer at NASA. What a cool title. For the crew portrait they use a Hasselblad camera with the settings you can see on screen. In the behind-the-scenes images shared with Petapixel, we can see what was used for the shot. Heavy-duty Speedotron industrial flash units, a square softbox at the front, a lateral field light, and a dish with barn doors pointed at the backdrop to separate the crew. And they went all in on the movie poster look with this image. You can see the reflection of a gridded softbox in their helmets. Let's push farther. For the individual shots they use a Nikon Z9 at f11, which was important to keep all the details in focus, including the national flag patches and names. We're getting Rembrandt lighting here, and on the shadow side there is a triangle of light on the cheek. There is also a behind-the-scenes image for these shots. They added a hair light with a snoot in this setup, a rim of light that almost feels like a reflection of the lunar surface. These are the kind of images that make you stop scrolling. These are heroes, 4 human beings about to climb inside a metal capsule and risk everything for science. This is why I'm obsessed by dramatic lighting. It doesn't just improve a photograph, it reveals the truth about the subject in a way that flat light never could. The last one is a more complex setup with 4 lights, but you don't need a Hollywood budget to recreate the essence of this look. A mirrorless camera, a couple of flashes, and some gridded softboxes. That's it. Watch this next if you want to hear my story with off-camera flash.